This tractor battery no longer has the amps to start the tractor. I've attempted charging it for about 2 days. It doesn't have the amps to even turn over the engine. Before putting a new battery in, I'm gonna attempt a high amperage restoration. This battery is too expensive to replace without trying. Remove the negative terminal and the positive. Make sure the battery's hydrated. We'll check the water in each cell. When I give it a tap, I can see water in all of them. If the battery's not hydrated, you can't attempt a high amperage charge. The battery's too heavy to want to lift, so I'll bring the charger to you. Put 200 amps on it. I'll watch to see which cells bubble. The bubbles are hydrogen gas, so it has to be in a high ventilated area. In fact, I would say because the hydrogen gas is so flammable, I wouldn't do this. Within a minute, I can start to see a lot more bubbles coming out. After about 5 minutes, there's a lot more activity. I'm seeing good activity in all of them. That's a good sign. It's been about 20 minutes, so I'm seeing a lot more activity. Make sure you check out all the cells. This one's not as active as the other ones. At least they're all bubbling. If we look at a thermal camera, the heat's pretty even. I'm glad to see every cell even, so it's not one cell out. Turned everything off and let it cool off last night. Another hot cycle. It's starting to bubble immediately this morning. With 2 hot cycles, we'll give it a crank. It turns over the engine once, so that's an improvement. Got about 5 hot cycles on this battery. We'll give it a crank. It's moving. Got about 10 hot cycles, some of them being about 5 hours long. We'll give it a crank. Nothing. At the price of these batteries, I've tried all kinds of different methods. This hot cycle method works sometimes, but not all the time. Unfortunately, gave it a good try on this one, but I don't think we're going to get it to work.